Hello, we are the 300 level students of Insurance of Management Science, University of Lagos, Nigeria, and we are here to introduce our topic to you guys, which is communicating with technology. I am Olawale Adeshawa, and I'll be doing the introductory part of the video.
My name is Dale Majibala. I'll be talking about the evolution of collaborative technologies.
My name is Lawa Rukayat, and I will be explaining the identify and description of technology that facilitates collaboration.
My name is Agbola Damilola, and I will be explaining unified communication and collaboration with technologies.
My name is William Salamdi. I'm talking more on human elements and collaborative technologies. Thank you.
First of all, I'll be talking about the introduction of the collaborative technology. Collaborative technology gives the impression to the user of real time, that is, communication or interacting with someone who is in a remote distance away. CT has created opportunities within businesses for employees to interact with one another without being in the same room. The ability to streamline communication and collaboration efforts between in-house and remote teams provide companies with multiple benefits that equate to greater success. Collaborating technology has quickly become a necessity for businesses in every industry. Furthermore, to elaborate on this, what I just said, how can technology encourage teamwork and collaboration you would have? When it comes to using technologies in businesses, the first thing that comes to mind is automation, right? Which is used to simplify or eliminate tedious tasks and improve productivities, mostly in the assembly line. These are repetitive tasks that do not involve human traits such as empathy or decision making, which then makes it easier for machines and technologies to perform them. Technologies can be used to help build up trust and better communications amongst these members. What are the benefits collaborating with tech provides businesses? One, I would say it allows for greater opportunities and flexibilities. In today's world, both employees and clients demand flexibility. Number of remote workers is on the rise, and with the help of collaborating with technology, their remote workers are able to perform the vital tasks of these jobs from wherever they are. A study showed that only 3% of workers come up with their best ideas while on the clock. The other 99% of workers said that their best work-related ideas come to them while being out of work or being out of the office and doing routine day-to-day activities. The second point I'll point out is increased productivity. Increasing employees' productivity leads to greater profits and more improved business functions from top to bottom. Implementing collaboration technology correctly gives employees the tools necessary to feel more engaged with tasks and increase their productivities among both in-house and remote workers. The third point would be to reduce cost. Collaboration will help reduce travel costs in a company, because travel costs can quickly become a major expense for companies. This includes traveling to meet your clients, train employees, and monitor the progress of projects. Collaboration technology allows business to forego the expense of traveling by implementing virtual communication tools. My fourth point would be increased accessibility of document resources. One of the most critical components of success is the accessibility of documents and resources. Collaborating technology simplifies sharing and accessing documents. That is, CT allows companies to record and save various training videos for future use. My fifth point would be that it also gives companies a competitive edge, because recruiting high talent employees, finding new clients, and retaining outstanding clients are all made possible with the use of collaborating tech. CT will give companies the edge they need to stay competitive. So, if you do not take anything from what I just said, my key takeaways would be that the use of collaborating technology is more than just a trend, it is a necessity. Increased productivity, greater flexibility, reduced cost, and more accessibility documents and resources are all possible with the use of collaboration tech. The question isn't when collaborative tech will become a standard for industries, but rather when companies are going to realize collaboration tech is a necessity to stay competitive in today's world.
My topic is the evolution of collaborative technologies. First of all, let's start by telling you what evolution is. Evolution means the improvement of things from the old age towards the new age. Now, talking about business, we're going to say how collaboration with business goes from the old to the new. In the past, when people want to do business and stuff, we use tax or long distance communication, which means you can't technically see each other. All you have to do is call and call and call. But now, in this present age, we have different devices like screen mirroring, Wi-Fi, video cover, and everybody can even do real-time date-to-date communication, which helps business and researchers. Douglas Engelbart first said that in 1960, he first protruded that business will need computers, but then there were no computers, and even as at that time, it was not open to commercial users. It was just high-end tech companies that use computers, but now it's everybody. So technically, it helps business, and everybody gets to do business in real time and help sales and other things.
Technology that facilitates collaboration. Example is Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is the second generation of internet, and it is related to the advance of introducing power tools. Technology that facilitates collaborations are blog, short for weblog, and it is used to facilitate collaboration and knowledge sharing. Blog can help to create a more intimate connection with the customers, employees, suppliers, and business owners. Why telepresent? Example is Zoom. Like when a company is like having a meeting up to like talk about their business or any other thing. Why the next one is Wiki is a web software frequently used to build knowledge bases that allow users to add and edit. The next one is social networking. It refers to the use of internet-based social media sites to stay connected with friends and family. Examples of social media are Facebook, Instagram, etc. Why microblogging? Is a form of blogging in which posts are quick, short, and especially suitable for mobile device. The entry appears in reverse chronological order. Why hashtag is the microblogging tools invented by web user. Hashtag is used probably when there is a situation where someone is in need of help or probably health issue, like okay, let's save this person by hashtagging so that people will be aware of whatever is going on in our environment.
I'll be explaining on how unified communications contributes to collaboration. Now, what is a basic unified communication? A unified communication is an umbrella term used for different technologies that are joined under the same application. For example, video call, instant messages, emails, basically the essential technologies used in an office environment. Now, we have some benefits of unified communications. One, it improves existing processes. Like before unified communications, there are lots of different applications where there will be open applications which is going to slow down work processes. With unified communications, you are going to have the different applications inside a single system where you can just access it easily. It also improve employee productivity, since you are not going to be moving around to get applications. Since you are not going to be moving around to get applications, you have it in the same system. So basically, it's going to make work faster and easier to use. We also have some features of unified communications. Now, features of unified communications. A unified communication approach should work with many different people. That is, should be similar to other people, like clients of the company, should be similar to their own unified communication. So it will be easy to use, and it should be able to be adaptable. So in case a particular client does not have a system, an app, the client will be able to get it easily, and you can communicate however you want. Now, under unified communication, we also have unified dashboard. Basically, the basic work of a unified dashboard helps to manage unified communications, making it quickly to access. Now, we'll also talk about under a unified dashboard, we have an example which is a Miltel Unified Communication Advanced. So it's actually a software that is a type of unified dashboard to help clients integrate the features into your unified communications. Like it helps them know and understand the kind of communications you're going to use to communicate with them. And it also helps employees to choose the best method to communicate with clients so as to maximize the best profits you can.
So I'm talking more on the human element and collaborative technologies. Human beings have thousands of years to refine the strategies for productive interaction in the face-to-face setting, but only a couple of decades to figure out how best to collaborate virtually. A key reason for this problem is that online communication is not the same as face-to-face communication. We also underestimate how online environment can affect behavior, just like any environment from the beach to the office affect how we behave. Psychological characteristics of online environment. We have unfamiliar communication tools, reduced media richness, and greater physical distance. So under familiar communication tools, we have the QWERTY keyboards, control, mic, cameras, and microphone are more complicated to use to communicate, often interfering with smooth interactions. Text-based online interactions are particularly lacking in media richness, with no verbal cues to refine and clarify messages. Greater physical distance. Online interaction occurs between people who are both physically separated and also alone with their computers or other devices. People form impression quickly using social categories, particularly age, gender, ethnicity, and physical attractiveness. Collaborative technology is a tool or software designed to facilitate working on group and holding real-time meetings in the office and remotely. This technology can reduce the cost and time associated with facilitating group work or performing tasks that requires collaboration between different departments.
In conclusion, online collaboration starts with having the right tool. As a general tip, make sure that you are only using one or two tools simultaneously so your workflow can be more centralized. Thank you so much for having us, and thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.